SmartWithFood has created a recipe tool. This tool makes it possible to translate ingredients of a recipe into the matching products. You first need to choose a recipe. This can be a recipe from a website or from a personal company database. For this demo, we will choose a recipe from the Colruyt website. To enter the recipe into the system, go to the option Add. You can now enter the name of the recipe and other characteristics. You can now copy the ingredients of the recipe into the field Ingredients. By the button Split into Multiple, you can now separate the ingredients. By clicking on the View button, you can see the results. Our engine will now search for the matching products that are available in the Colruyt Group stores, but this can be adjusted to other products and other databases. As you can see, the ingredients are now translated into the matching products and multiple options are given. You can choose the vegetable broth that the system suggested, but you can also choose any other product from the list with options. Notice that allergens change if you choose a different product. This is because the allergen status is related to the product. By clicking on the Information button, you can get more information about the product. You can see the ingredient list, nutritional values, and other supplementary information. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the summary of allergens present in the entire recipe, as well as traces of allergens. When you move over the allergen, you can also see which ingredient is responsible for this. As you can see, the allergen milk is present because of the ingredient grated cheese. You can also personalize a recipe. We have put in a gluten-free profile. By clicking on the button Personalize, only gluten-free products will be shown. Spaghetti is replaced by gluten-free spaghetti, and products that contain traces of gluten will be replaced by products without gluten. When you check the allergen status of the entire recipe, gluten are no longer present. You can also choose to rank a specific brand higher in the product suggestions, for example the brand Everyday. These preferences are just examples. The same can be done for specific suppliers or the lowest price. Other similar preferences can be set to meet the customer's needs.